Meaning of honourable.
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 Honorable.
Honorable. The term honorable is often used to describe someone who demonstrates a high level of integrity, respect, and moral character. It suggests that the person is worthy of respect, trust, and admiration. This title may be bestowed upon individuals who have demonstrated exceptional service or achievements, displayed great courage in difficult circumstances, or who have earned the respect of their peers and the community. In essence, it is a term of distinction that conveys a sense of dignity, grace, and nobility. Overall, being called honorable is a sign of great esteem and commendation.